The background is now at violet, and the chances are now at 550. And plus, the timer is set down into 28 days, so you better stop turning off your PC right now, because you don't want to lose your computer forever.
You're just annoying me too much, Pterodactyl Puppet. I'm still turning it off no matter what, so leave me alone and piss off already.
You are starting to make me almost feel mad. Chances 549. Emileigh, you are not just an ignorant, but you are also such a pathetic bastard for being unlistenable to me 52 times. Now you have 548 chances left to spare. Are you fucking serious, Emileigh? You spray the bleach at me. That count as another turn-off. Crap. 547 chances remaining. Six chances left. You now have only 546 chances left. Timer reduced from 28 days into 27 days, which counts as the math from 9x3 = 27. Emileigh, you are such shameful about that math career that I gave you about the timer. That count as another turn-off skill. Chances 544. Emileigh, you are such shameful about that math career that I gave you about the timer. That count as another turn-off skill. Chances 544. You now have 543 chances left to go. Now your chances are at 542. Please stop. Got it? EW. Emileigh, you just have to piss on me. That counted as another turn-off skill. Chances 541. And if you turn off your PC once more time, then I'll be mad at you. The background will be at blue. The timer will go down into 26 days, and the chances will be down at 540.
Part 7 will be on its way.